before we empty. No touching, please. Ife, walk. Okay, don't worry, soon. This bag is how much? The pink one. The pink one.
8.5.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Come and buy for. Nice. Wow. How much?
250.
Dora. No, that's not Dora. How much is what? No. You cannot be asking me how much at this age. Yes.
Mommy, look at the tree.
Yeah, I can see.
They're blowing.
Yeah.
Flying, flying, wind, day, wind,
Can you see them?
Quack, 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 quack.
Guys, good evening. So can you see I'm tying scarf? I transitioned to natural hair, and right now I don't know. It's really annoying. I don't know how you guys cope, because I'm not the type that really likes keeping my hair on afro. I just feel like it doesn't fit me personally, and I've resorted to scarf. Like, I now have to now buy like different scarves, so it won't be like just one scarf I have, and it's really, really annoying. And secondly, my skin, I don't know what's happening to my face. Not my skin, my face. Like, I think it's changing because I've changed my routine, and I'm hoping it's working. I don't know, but I can somehow see change, but I don't know if it's my imagination. But my skin is really like, I have serious, especially on my nose. I don't know if you guys can see. I have serious things on my nose, which is really, really annoying. See, but I think it's clearing anyways. Let me see.
The initial plan was borehole of 1 feet up. That's almost 1,000 something blocks. 1,000 something blocks is how much?
Guys, good morning. I want to be vlogging more. I feel like I always forget. I don't know why. So everybody's out of the house. I'm the only one. That's what being a stay-at-home mom does to you. Meanwhile, I have some bags for sale. So if you're interested, go check it out on my Instagram. And buy. They're fairly used bags, so they're very, very inexpensive. So finally, I'm going to make my hair. I've been carrying my hair like this for almost I would say 3 weeks. I've been forming wig gang, but I don't think I enjoy the wig thing. I won't even lie. I don't think I enjoy the wig thing. And so I'm going to be making my hair, and I'm going to be doing my nails. My nails are like, I've not done my nails for a very long time, so I'm going to be doing that. I feel like I've tried. I've added so much weight on my face. Can you see? So I'm going to be losing all this weight.
First thing you need to remove is exploding anything, particularly with not all the engineering first, because you don't show emotions, you don't empathize with machines. That child or you are supposed to be spending your life to empower other people. It's as simple as that. I can't go into details, but I hope you get it. That's the deepest level of fulfillment that you ever have. So many things to say about that. If what you wrote down either for yourself, you also have it for your children. Second letter is B, but the third is A. Can I say that? You wrote B and A as the two middle letters. It's okay. Your calling or that of your children is related to transforming the world through knowledge and innovation. Such people will have the highest level of fulfillment in their life where they are gone. You don't start with details. You start with the big picture that can sustain their interest while you are telling them the details. But for children whose second letter is A, if you start with the big picture, they can't see it. What you should do is to start with details that you build to the big picture. That's how they learn. They are curious about almost anything. So these children, they give them dictionaries. They're the one that will say from age 9, even younger, they'll say they want a phone. They want a phone. They're the children that you leave your phone with them. Even things you don't know about the phone, you'll be surprised how they will navigate. They're always curious, and you have to be very careful what you expose them to, please. Because if you expose them to anything, they don't stop. They will go behind you. What you don't think they should know, don't even let it be around them. If they see any move that topic, first of all, in the class, let them begin, because we are adults. If there's some of us fantasize and even travel out of the class, isn't it?
Yes.
When we're in school.
Yes.
If the teacher does not spark any imagination in our
Yes.
mind, we just travel.
Yes.
When they come back, they will meet somewhere or I'll go and read. But when the teacher knows that there are 4 ways children learn here, number 1, I paint the bigger picture of this topic. I'm not just talking about, wow, it's something I should have told us. Some children, for instance, the imaginative child, let me tell you, when they are in the class and you are teaching a subject, do you know what is running in their head? Please write it down. How will this be useful to me in the future? As you are teaching, they are thinking, how will I be able to use this topic? Children that are if your child's second letter is A and last letter is A, the child is looking for how practical is this thing? How practical is this subject? If your child's second letter is A and last letter is A, like Madam, is saying, how can this topic be useful to me now? So when you are teaching them, you have to have that in mind. I begin to, as you are saying the bigger picture, how it's going to help you fly a plane, you are going to say, how you have to think, a teacher needs to think, how can this topic be useful to some of my students now? That's the only way you can catch their attention. Because you are just talking about the future, by the time you come the second time again, that's why people like them drop out of chemistry, because they can't see all this chemical. Where is it? I can't see. What will I use it for? No.
That's true.
Around me? No. Where can I see it? I can't see it. So they will just say, what am I even doing here? But for students who are imaginative, they are thinking, how will it be useful for me in the future? They are using their mind to imagine how they can use it. Oh, maybe if I become a biochemist, maybe I will use it. Oh, something like that. But the guys, I'm not a biochemist now. Do you understand? That's why you see some of those children, if they teach them a craft at school, they get home and say, Mommy, I want to do it. Because they want to, it has to be real now. Before I can be thinking about how useful it will be. For instance, my second letter is A. And that's why I'm doing this. There are people at times call me that I'm a stargazer. Because when I stumbled on this, it was useful now. I know how it can help parents. And I went into it. And I see results. It's not that, in the future, maybe I won't get involved in it. But if it's useful to me now, I want to get into it and use it and understand it. So I think that would be better too. But to say we want to group these teachers, there will be a lot of teachers that will be needed. Thank you very much. It's a pleasure speaking with you. God bless.
So I know this is awkward. My camera is really dim. I don't know why I'm feeling this. It's somehow I'm feeling it. Anyway, so the kids are on. I just got to know that the kids are going on midterm break tomorrow, starting tomorrow till Monday. Imagine. So I don't know what to do. Somehow in my mind, at the back of my mind, I'm happy because I'm not going to be waking up so early anymore. So it's just my cousin going to school and she can take care of herself. It's just for me to give her transport. She knows how to make her food. She knows how to go to school. And it's, but I'm going to stay with 2 toddlers for the next 5 days or 4 days. Like, Jesus, are you kidding me? I have to do everything with them. I have to stay with them. If I'm going, I have to go out with them. If I'm, my God, I'm so scared. I say, Jesus, who said me? And somebody's telling me that I have mama child, have mama child. As if it's easy. It's not easy. If you're planning to have more than 1 kid, it's not easy. Be prepared mentally, physically, financially. I did a video where I talked about what to know before having kids in Nigeria, and currently did a video about what things I wish I had known before having 2 kids in Nigeria. So I'm just scared. What do you guys think? Before this video is going to come up anyways, it's going to be already over. But if it was you, what would you do with your kids? So I won't know, because most times weekend I'm lost. Meanwhile, I'm trying to do weight loss. It's not easy. It's not easy. I'm doing weight loss. It's not easy. Sometimes, see, I've carried cake. I've carried bobo. My lunch. Is it right to be taking this as, and when you're doing weight loss? I want to lose weight. I feel like my weight gain is now annoying me. I'm no more. Before I was liking it, but now I don't want it again. The place I want the weight to go to is not going there, so there's no need. Let everywhere just be slim. So I'm going to lose weight anyways. Editing some videos. I have 3 videos to edit this weekend. I have to post one tomorrow, one my vlog on Sunday and on Tuesday. So I'm just trying to do it. You can see I'm very, very tired. But I just felt like talking to you guys about I posted a video Karimo Market. The last vlog I did, I talked about Karimo Market. So I just felt like I should talk to you guys about some of the things you should know, like when you're going to Karimo, a place like Karimo Market, because the market is not organized. Like if you stay in Abuja, you know we have very, very organized markets, like Use Market, Kawara Market. I won't say Otako. Otako is not that organized, but you know what I'm trying to say. We have like markets that are really organized. So Karimo is a market that is not organized. If you go to Goza, it's also a market that is not organized. All those Yaya markets, they are not really organized. So some of things I've learned, even like growing up in Port Harcourt and coming here to Abuja, one of the things I've learned is the fact that I wrote some of them down so I will not start blabbing. Anyway, so one of the things I've learned is to hold your bags very well. And in fact, the first thing should be, if you're not used to those kinds of markets, or you're not even used to markets in general, you should go with someone you should always try to go with someone. Don't go alone, because some people's eyes, when you just go and they notice a JJC, they just want to do anyhow to you. That's the first one. So that's the first one. I'm editing and talking to you guys. So the next one is to always hold your bags and your wallet very well. And don't put your money in your pocket, please. If you have a bag, put it in your bag and be very cautious of your bag. Your phones, all those things, very important to hold them very, very well. I'm actually listening into another video talk where I'm talking to you. I'm multitasking, as in I'm a mom, so I have to learn how to multitask. Like my mother would say, then may your eye reach ground. I don't know how to explain it. I don't know how to say the way to say it in English, but don't just go and start doing JJC. Like I said, do like you know what's happening. It doesn't mean you should overdo, but do like you know what's happening, because people can sense JJC and they want to cheat you. Ask questions. Don't buy from only one person. Like if you go here, do your pricing. Use site to price. Very important to go early so that you won't go and come back there. Because I remember we used to go to the market. Then my mom is kind of person that went to market in the morning and come back in the evening, because we are talking just more than gist to everybody. She will eat everything. So my dear, do your pricing so that you will not be cheated per se. You will not be cheated. And I think that's basically it. If you have any more tips on how to go to this kind of market, like when you're going for thrift, especially thrifting, may your eye reach ground also means that you should, when you're buying, like for example clothes, they are thrifted, they are like clothes, second-hand clothes, most of them. What you should do is always try to check it, because sometimes you might buy something here and you take it back home and it's torn or you don't like it. So settle down. That's why it's good to go early, so that you'll be rushing, because that rushing is very annoying. So settle down, pick whatever you want. It's very important so that you would not be crying when you come back. I think that's basically it. So catch you guys